Just wanted to show you the spare tire that I got from Tesla. It fits pretty nicely in here. It's just hooked up by these D-rings down here, and it can obviously be tightened here, and that's really it. Really easy to take off. And the kit apparently comes with everything that you need to replace your tire, and it's really great that it comes in this package that's just not really tied down too badly to your bed. It doesn't really take up too much space, maybe just a quarter. And you can see I have my divider here, which I'll link in the description. This is the divider everyone's really liking thus far because it fits even if you have a bed liner like I do here, which is nice. And I'll put that in the description. So just want to give you a look at the tire, the spare tire, and I still have a pretty good amount of space in here, and it's easily removable if needed.